NZOWASCO, as a water services provider, we are mandated by the Lake Victoria North Waterworks Development Agency to provide cost-effective, potable, clean water and also sanitation services to the people of Bungoma County. Our headquarters is in Webuye, but we serve the entire Bungoma County with the conventional sewer network, whereby we collect water from the user points and transport the wastewater to the lagoons, where they are treated and then released to the existing water body. NZOWASCO serves the urban and peri-urban areas of Bungoma. These are industrial customers. We are serving commercial customers and also domestic customers. At the lagoon, at the entry, we have screens to separate unwanted material from the wastewater that is going to be treated. Then the water is able to go into the first pond, known as the primary ponds. The aim of taking the water into the primary ponds is to disintegrate the highly infectious and safe organic waste, to biodegrade it through aerobic digestion, and then the water further goes to the secondary ponds and then to the tertiary ponds before we release it into the river, which is safe to go back into the ecosystem. Before we release the water into the existing ecosystem, we have to ensure that we do spot checks to ensure that we conform to the WASREB and the NEMA standards. So the missing gap here is that we don't have our own lab that is accredited to do external wastewater tests, and if financed, we will appreciate if we have the lab accredited, and then we are able to do our tests here to monitor any upcoming issues and trends within the water, and then we can be able to also do external tests for other partners and earn revenue from such. And when it comes to the current trends in sanitation, like we are not just talking about water and sanitation, we talk about water, sanitation, hygiene and drainage. And I see that if we combine the hygiene part with the water and sanitation, then we have a lot of opportunities for hygiene promotion and market-based hygiene solutions, plus the drainage solutions. We could have drainage systems that cater for stormwater and really ensure that our conventional systems are not overwhelmed by the stormwater, and also this will help to reduce overflows. It will help to ensure that we contain the water and to the lagoons at the designed capacity. By so doing, we'll ensure that we are meeting the Sustainable Development Goal number 6 that really emphasizes on clean and safe water and basic sanitation to all. The other thing, when we ensure that we have clean water and also safe water being returned into our rivers, the wastewater is safely treated, we will ensure that we are really in control of the water, energy and food nexus, so that we have enough water, or energy is sufficient to be utilized within the systems, and there's also sufficient food for us. Moving forward, we are looking forward to be able to train people on financing within the sanitation sector, so that they are able to link the services that we offer in sanitation, the financial opportunities that we have, so that as we run the projects, we are able to be accountable for sustainability purposes. Another gap and area that we can invest into that is currently trending is ensuring that when we treat the wastewater to required standards, we are also able to reach the net zero plus. That is ensuring that we are putting the global warming in check and you're not contributing the greenhouse gases. Whatever we have allocated for sanitation is limiting and not enough to enable us to rehabilitate, to enable us to expand our sewer systems, and also to come up with new innovative ways of serving people in sanitation. The areas that we will really consider for financing will be construction of new sewer systems, so as to cater for the upcoming estates and the mushrooming estates, The demand has gone up, population has grown, but the system still remains as it was constructed, and therefore the system is overwhelmed. If given financing in this area, we will be able to serve our people better. And the second area that needs financing is rehabilitation. Our systems are dilapidated and they need revamping because the current system is always overwhelmed and we keep on having overflows, infiltration into the groundwater, and silting and rainwater coming into the system. There is a lot of silting and they really have to do the silting during maintenance. The current system that we have is not able to serve the whole population, so it means that we could have some on-site sanitation, the non-sewered sanitation. Like when you go through this compendium of sanitation technologies, we have a variety of systems that we can invest into so that we are able to merge with the existing sewer systems to serve our people better. For example, if we have the non-sewered systems like the DTFs, the decentralized transfer facilities, and also the septic tanks, once these facilities are full, they will need emptying. So if we use our exhausters for emptying, we see an opportunity because the existing exhausters within the county do not meet the demand. So there's an opportunity for exhauster services. There's an opportunity for disinfection services because once we disinfect these facilities, we will be creating an opportunity for the disinfectors and also the chemicals that are going to be used. We'll be creating an opportunity for those who manufacture the PPEs, the personal protective equipment, and we'll also be creating an opportunity for those people within the sector who want to actually venture in the business of looking at this wastewater as a resource and not just waste. So if you go through the compendium of sanitation technologies, we are looking at 9 systems that can be used to actually transform human waste into a resource. And for example, if I could talk about the system number 5, the biogas system, this is a system whereby you inject human waste into the system and then you're able to anaerobically digest it. You can co-digest with other substrates to improve on the efficiency of the system and the effectiveness. And then whatever you get out of it is a biofuel and digested. If you look at this, the biofuel could be packaged and sold. This is a source of revenue. The biofuel could be used in the kitchens and the digested being an area that really focuses on cash crops like sugarcane, like maize and Napier. We could come around and empower these farmers to appreciate and really embrace the use of human manure as fertilizer. And this is a great opportunity whereby we can really move from depending on this other type of fertilizers and invest in this human waste fertilizer so that we are creating an opportunity around sanitation. The other opportunity that exists is that most of these peri-urban areas, sanitation facilities are not accessed by the exhausters. But currently we have some of the options and solutions in the market, like the portable poo-poo pump that can be used to access the toilets and then suck the sludge within the toilets before being transported to the lagoons. Linked to this opportunity is the need for sensitization. Most people are not aware of such opportunities, and if well financed, we will be able to come in and do sensitization and also procure some of these poo-poo pumps to help in the management of the fecal sludge.